What should I include in my long-term disability appeal with the Hartford? Hi, I'm Kevin McManus. I'm a long-term disability attorney and happy to answer that question for you. Well, if you're asking this question, you've probably received the denial letter in the mail from Hartford. And that denial letter probably says that the Hartford is not going to pay you long-term disability benefits. It will probably set out some reasoning or rationale behind that decision. And that reasoning or rationale may not make a lot of sense to you. It may have inaccurate information, incomplete information, or just flat out something that's completely untrue. We've seen everything. We offer at our law firm free denial letter reviews. So if you have a denial letter from the Hartford and you'd like us to review it, please just contact us and we'd be happy to review it for free and provide you with a strategy for your appeal that's personalized and tailored to your specific situation. But broadly, let me tell you that there's a few things that you definitely need to include in an appeal. First and foremost, you need objective medical evidence as to why you can't do either your job or any job, depending on your policy, because that's what Hartford is looking at. So this starts both with the policy itself, reviewing and understanding what is disability and how is it defined in your policy, but also reviewing your medical records and understanding whether your doctors are supporting your disability in a clear, coherent way. And let me tell you, it needs to say more than he or she is disabled. It needs to give some reasons, some specifics as to why you can't do your job or any job, depending on what your policy says. So that's key. The other things that we include for our clients is we really dive in to specifics as to what your condition is and how it affects your life more broadly. We talk to both our clients and get witness statements. And I think that paints a picture, depending on your disability, as to how this is really affecting you in a myriad of ways. Regardless of what you do, it's important to have as much information as possible in your appeal, because if your appeal is denied, your next step is to file a lawsuit in federal court. And if your appeal is governed by ERISA, a federal law, then in federal court, you're not going to be allowed to include more information later. The court is only going to look at what's in your appeal. This is complicated stuff. It's important to have somebody by your side helping you guide you through the process. We handle both the appeals and the litigation for our clients, but it all starts with understanding why you were denied in the first place. And if you have that question and you're dealing with the Hartford, call us. We'd be happy to talk to you. Our information's below.